All right, guys, I wanted to show you this. I've been talking about this, but this is an absolutely amazing thing. This is the multi-spectrum grow light that I bought. Yeah, I do sell it on my page, but here's why I use it. You guys know I don't play around. So yeah, this is like 3, maybe 4 days of different lettuces that are going to be going in the ground here shortly. Just keep it wet. Now those on the left, I don't know why those are growing so slowly. Those are the spinach, but we'll see what happens. You can see there's a little different green stuff in there where they've kind of mixed together. But yeah, this is all lettuce. And this light is absolutely amazing. It is on 24/7. All I do is come in here and just spray every so often. One last look. Oh yeah, so if you want to grow some sprouts really, really fast, that is the item. And this actually extends. It'll come up to like this tall, so you can actually like grow things straight up for long periods of time, or just grow indoors. And they're LED lights. So I'm sorry, LCD lights. No, LED. I got it right the first time. All right, guys. Till the next time, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested. Bye bye.